Okay, friends, here we are starting with the questions of ratio and proportion. If AB is 3 by 4, BC is 8 by 9, find ABC. So now you are feeling very excited when you start solving the questions. Generally, your excitement level goes up. You feel how simple aptitude is. This is the magic of aptitude. Okay. So the value of A by B is 3 by 4 and the value of BC is 8 by 9. So here what is common? Here in both the cases B is common. So you have to make B in both the side equal. So here it is not equal. So in order to make this equal to this, you have to multiply first B with 2, right? So 3 by 4 it was. So in order to make it 8 or both be equal, so you have to multiply it by 2. Similarly, if you multiply denominator by 2, you have to multiply numerator by 2, right? And this is simply equal to what? B by C, or the second one, which value is 8 by 9, right? So this becomes 6 by 8 and this become 8 by 9. Now you can compare, this is A, this is B, this is B, this is C. So what is asked to you? Find the value of A, B, C. So A, you know it is 6, B, you know it is how much? It is 8, and C, you know that is C value is 9, right? So it cannot be further cut because 9 is something different and these are something different. So the value will be 6, 8, 9. Okay. Next question. Now here you have to find out A by D. So here your A by B is what? 2 by 3. BC is what? 4 by 5. And CD is what? 6 by 7. So you can find out value. So write down A, B, C, D. So here you have 2 by 3. BC, this is first one for first number. Okay. For second number, it is what? B by C, that is 4 by 5. And for third number, it is 6 by 7. So in certain case, what you have to do, you have to continue the series. Okay. So this is 2 by 3. So the next two number will be the repetition of this number only. This is shortcut. Okay. This is ultimate shortcut of this. And now if it is 4, so ahead of this will come 4, and it is 5, ahead of it comes 5. Okay. This is 6, ahead of it comes 6, and ahead of this comes 6. It won't go like this. Okay. It always come like this, and ahead of this, backward of this. If it is stopped here, then ahead of this, ahead of this. So this is the best shortcut to find out. Other may confuse you, but this is the best way in order to find out, and this is one of good shortcuts. Okay. So what you have to do, just where it is ending, just continue this series ahead. If it is ending here, continue ahead. If it is ending here, continue ahead. It end here, so continue here you cannot go because this will be the opposite route. You are crossing the line, you are crossing the barricade, straight barricade, and you are going back like this circle. So you don't have to do circle, you have to go straight. Okay. So after doing this, after multiplying it, 2 into 4 comes out to be 8. 8 into 6 is what? 8 into 6 comes out to be 48. Similarly, 3 into 4 comes out to be 12. 12 into 6 is what? 72. Similarly, 3 into 5 comes out to be 15. 15 into 6, that comes out to be 90. And similarly, 3 into 5, 15. 15 into 7. So 15 into 7 comes out to be how much? It comes out to be 10. Comes out to be your 105. Okay. So this is the your numbers. Okay, that will solve it. So what is asked to you? A by D. So A is 48, D is this. So you can simply cut it. You can simply cut it by 3. So after cutting it by 3, this comes out to be 16. This comes out to be how much? it comes out to be 25, not 25, comes out to be 35. Okay, so further it is going, further if you see it won't go, this will remain as it is. So the value of a by d is what? 16 by 35. Simple. Okay, let's move towards next question. Given two number which are in ratio of 3 by 4, if 8 is added to each of them, the ratio is changed to 5 by 6. Find the two number. So the two number is, let's 3x is the first number, and the second number is what? 4x. Okay, so they are in ratio. So what that means? 3x by 4x, and if you add 8 on them, the ratio become what? 5 by 6. Now you can solve it. Now you can solve it. So after doing this, what you have to do? You have to multiply this simply here and here. So 6 into 3, that comes out to be 18x, plus 6 into 8, that comes out to be 48, equal to 5 into 4x, that comes out to be 20x, plus 5 into 8, that comes out to be 40, right? So after doing this, you can simply check, that is 2x, this go in this side and this comes in this side, equal to 8. So the value of x is what? X value is 4. So now they told you to find the number. So you can simply put the value, that is 3 into 4 plus 8, that comes out to be 20. The first number is 20 and second number is what? 4 into 4 plus 8, that is 16 plus 8, that comes out to be 24, right? So the first number is 20 and the second number is 24. Let's solve next question. The annual income of AB is in the ratio 5 by 4 and their annual expenses bear a ratio of 4 by 3. If each of them saves 500 rupees at the end of the year, then find the annual income. So annual income is in ratio 5 by 4 and their expenses are in ratio 4 by 3. Okay, this is their income and this is their expenditure. So if you minus expenditure from income, what you get? You get savings, right? Simple. So that's value is given to you, that is 500. So if to make, this is one shortcut that I am telling you. So in order to make this quantity same, you can see the difference between them is what? Between numerator and denominator is 1, and here the difference between numerator and denominator is 1. So you can simply keep it here and you have to multiply with the differences of numerator and denominator to both the side, and here both the differences are same, so no need to multiply. So 5 by 4 equal to 4 by 3. Okay, so what is the difference between them? 1 unit. The 1 unit value is given to you 500, right? So you, what you have to do, you have to simply multiply by 500. So 500 you multiply here, because you got the value of 1 unit is 500, right? So you can also multiply by here and here also. So you will come to know the salary of A was how much? 2500, and B was 2000. That of this is expenses of first one is 4000, not 4000, 2000, and second one was 1500. Okay, this how you need to solve it. So their annual income is 25,000, 2500 and 2000. Let's solve next question. Now this is the second type of question where the ratio are different. Now you will clear the concept that I told you. The income of there is how much? 7 by 2, and their expenditure are in ratio how much? 4 by 1. If they save 1000 rupees, find the expenditure. So here you can see the difference between numerator and denominator is what? 5, and here is what? 3, right? So you have to cross multiply it. That means 7 into 3 upon 2 into 3, and here you have to multiply it this. So 4 into 5 upon 1 into 5. You have to multiply both their differences with each other. So this comes out to be how much? 21 by 6. This comes out to be how much? 20 by 5, right? So now the difference between them is of what, 15, numerator and denominator, and here also 15. Now this thing become constant, so keep it like this only. Now compare the numerator of both the things, so you can find the difference in their numerator is of 1 unit, which value is given to you, that is 1000 rupees. So you have to multiply this 1000 to all this side, so what that comes out to be 21 into 1000. Okay, and 6 into 1000. Similarly, expenditure 20 into 1000. Okay, and 5 into 1000. So you can find out their expenditure of Sohan and Mohan. Okay, so this comes out to be how much? This comes out to be 20,000, right? This comes out to be how much? 5,000. So the expenditure of Mohan is how much? 20,000, and Sohan is 5,000. Thank you.